What's up, everybody? This is Aircrete Harry, and I'm in Colorado today showing you another set of domes. So what we see here are 5 domes. The first 4 domes are all connected together. The fifth is separated and is also on a 2-foot stem wall. If you see, the top of this dome is a little higher than this dome, and there's a 2-foot stem wall. That means 2 foot of wall was added to the bottom of the dome to make it taller, and you had a higher ceiling height. So these domes are still under construction. They still need sidewalks to be put in, and the electrical still needs to be finished. It needs about $45,000 to $50,000 worth of work. If anyone's interested in an investment, let me know and I'll let the owner know. But for now, here is some potential rentals, and I'll give you a quick tour. The inside is very dark because the windows are boarded up, but as you can see, again, just like the other domes, because standing in front of it, you can see basically the entire dome. You can see from one side almost all the way over to the other. You virtually see everything here. So it looks small. It's not, though. We'll go inside this dome here. And here we open up. There's our ceiling. It's like almost a 13-foot ceiling in here. And these units are set up to be, each dome is set up to be its own apartment. So eventually there would be a wall here that would separate this dome from the next dome, and or it may, depending on who rents, may keep it open. But you see some electrical wiring has to be finished. It's electrical wiring. But here's a mini kitchen. This area would be a kitchen for the dome. Your sink and everything will go here. Your hot water tank and these things would go in behind this wall here. And see, this would be the living space. Some couches in here. And like for myself, if I were a bachelor or bachelorette, this is a great space. Like, wow. So behind the wall here is our bathroom. Let me grab a flashlight because there's no light here. And here's the bathroom area. So your toilet would go there. This is your shower here. It's your fuse box. And so this is the bathroom. This would be another space to do something with. Here's a closet space. Back up, you can see this would be used as a closet. Pretty big, and then your space up there too, I guess. So we'll take a walk. This is the other dome. Like I said, they're all under construction. Has the same layout as the one we just walked through. You have the wall here. Here's a door. Here's where again, another closet would be. And this is where another bathroom is. As you see, the electrical still needs to be finished. Still a lot of work. But once it's finished, it'll be really nice apartments for rent out here. And again, this one, the door is in a different position, but we have the same layout. We have our walls and everything. Here's the bathrooms here. closets on this side. You can see how big that closet could be. Really cool. Let's walk into the last one. There's our little tunnel hallways. This is a good way to show you how the domes can be connected. So here's the same layout again. We have our closet, we have our bathroom. Wiring needs to be completed. You can see the curvature of the walls, the way they curve down. It's not exactly easiest to see with the camera. Then right now it's a lot of storage here. And here are the doors on this side of the dome. And again, this would be the kitchen area. That would be where your hot water tanks and things go. And this is the kitchen area. And then this is another door to exit. Windows. So that's pretty much it. The last dome is locked up, so I won't have access. But just want you to see how these domes can be laid out. And the size of them and the space. See, again, you can see the whole thing. And this one here has different windows. You see the way the windows pop out? There's a different design here in the window. And this is not the finished coat. This is a primer. There's another ceramic base paint that would go over the dome. So this is just a primer. This is not the finished paint. All right, anyway, just wanted to share some more domes with you that are out here in Colorado. And just to give you an idea of what a dome could be like, you know, for most people who haven't been inside the domes. I've been very surprised myself at walking into the dome and how much space they have, especially when they look small from the outside. I believe these are 25-foot diameters. I'm forgetting now. It could be 22 or 25, something like that. But either way, anyway, that's it for now. Peace out. I love you all, and I'll catch you later.